Scene 1, Apple, take 2.
Okay, that about covers it. Other than our instruction manual, there you have it. Alright, let's go over what they gave us here. Okay, here we have our gas-powered expandable power pack. Now this thing is expandable with several things, from like leaf blowers to like mini cultivator, mini snow, I would think growers. There's like several things you can go online and check them all out. But anyway, this is the curved shaft. This is my very first gas-powered string trimmer, so bear with me because I know very little about the gas-powered ones. But I did do a little research online. And then it gave me this little packet here, and it appears to have like your guard, your handle, and several other things. And we're going to see what we can figure out here. Okay, now that we got the shaft together, we're going to go ahead and put on our guard. Now there'll be like little loopy thing here, and that's what we're going to use to snap on our pole. Then we're going to take our hardware kit. We got two kits that has a wing nut, lock washer, and a washer. And then we're going to go ahead and on one side on here you'll see the grooves for your bolt. So we want to put it in on that side, and like I said, we're just going to snap it on the pole and then mount our hardware. Now you do want to make sure that this is on the correct side where that bolt goes through. And then we're going to put on our washer, our lock washer, and then our wing nut. Tighten it down. Try to get this in the camera. I hope it's in the camera. Okay. Next, we're gonna we got another hardware kit. The same stuff. You know, we have our wing nut, our washer, and our lock washer. And then we're going to do the same thing with our handle. We're going to just slip it on the pole, and then same thing. You've got a hole here that your bolt goes in, and then we'll put the rest of our hardware on the other side. And in this case, I think you would just want to put it somewhere where it's comfortable for you to handle. Now for me, that's a pretty good grip. So then we're going to go ahead and mount the hardware. Okay, that seems to be a good grip for me. Now the last thing you're gonna have when you're all done, at least with the reconditioned one, you're gonna have this one piece left here. This is simply gonna be a tool to change your string, and I'll show you the head that it fits on. So you just go to the bottom of your thing, and then this will just slip right on. Okay, and then that's how you'll tighten it up and loosen it. Okay, now before we go outside, I do want to share one more thing with you. After reading reviews on a lot of these gas-powered trimmers, which by the way, this is my first gas-powered trimmer, I decided that since a lot of people were having issues with it starting or whatnot, I went out, and they weren't really too sure about, of course, the chemical mixtures. So I went out and I got this thing called True Fuel, and it's already mixed. It's ethanol free, you know, has the fuel, the oil, and again, it's ethanol free. I don't think that's coming in clear. However, I got like a 32 ounce bottle of this from Home Depot for like, it was almost $6. And for me, I think this is a good thing to get. You don't have to worry about being a chemist, mixing your solutions correctly. And then in many cases, if you do mix it correctly, today's gas does have ethanol in it. And from what I've read, ethanol isn't really good for these units. Now, I did say that was it, but there is one more thing I'd like to show you. This is a part of the Ryobi expanded, and I'm not getting that in too clear, but this is part of the Ryobi expanded series. So there are many attachments that you can get with it. Everything from leaf blowers, attachments. I think there was like a mini cultivator, like a tree trimmer that's like similar to an electric saw, and I saw a snow thrower, and like I said, there were various other things that you might want to look into if you're interested in this whole expanded Ryobi thing that they've got going on. So okay, let's take her outside and take her for a spin. Alright, so we got her running. We got her on run. So we're going to try to do a little edging right here. Again, I'm not an expert at this, so absolutely no laughing. Only me. Wait a minute, I better start down here. Since I'm right-handed, might as well start on the right-hand side. Alright, let's see what happens here. Get a good angle to hold it at, and edge away.
expert, but let's take a look at the edge. Not bad. Man, it's better than it was, especially down here. I did really good. Let me show you what I did before my guard fell off. See, I did this right here earlier. So I guess the more I do this, the better at this I'll get. So let's see if we can find, wow, our string is getting low. Let's see if we can find a weed to whack. Alright.
Thank you for joining me on this unboxing, assembly, and test run of the Ryobi full crank 2-cycle expanded 2-string gas trimmer. Thanks for watching.
Mess? I don't know anything about a mess, dear. It must have been Sherman. I'm just taking care of business.